The incident in question became a symbol for many Iraqis of foreign disregard for local life, as Blackwater security guards allegedly opened indiscriminate fire against Iraqi civilians in 2007. Anger flared across the streets of Baghdad after the news of the US ruling spread amongst the population.
والله يا أخي شركة بلاك ووتر الشركة الأمنية ناس تعبانين حتى من يمشون بالشارع، يعني قتلوا 17 عراقي. شنو يسقطون التهم عنهم يا أخي بأي حق بأي قانون بأي ذريعة؟ وين الشعب العراقي؟ وين الدولة؟ وين القانون؟ ليش ما يدافع عن حقوق الناس حقوق المظلومين؟
General Ray Odierno, commander of US troops in Iraq, echoed the Iraqi government's displeasure as a US district judge throughout the case against the guards. He insisted prosecutors had wrongly used statements the guards made to State Department investigators under a threat of job loss in violation of defendants' constitutional rights. This was done in spite of the fact that a sixth Blackwater guard had earlier pleaded guilty to charges of voluntary manslaughter and agreed to cooperate with prosecutors. Iraq's legal community sharply criticizes the technicalities of the ruling.
أنا نأسف حقيقة أشد الأسف للقرار القضاء الأمريكي بهذه القضية اللي تعتبر أدلتها ووقائعها وشهود حوادثها كلهم موجودين في ساحة الواقع عندما قتل يعني عراقيين وأريقت دم عراقية والجاني معروف والمجني عليه معروف، فبالتالي حقيقة يعني قرار غريب بهذا الاتجاه.
After the 2003 invasion, private guards protecting US personnel enjoyed immunity from prosecution in Iraqi courts. However, that ended with a bilateral pact that took effect in 2009. However, this latest ruling has left Iraqi citizens feeling a haunting sense of déjà vu. Anam Munir, Dawn News.